Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we're going to be doing something that's long awaited for my compact. We're finally going to address the absolute failure that it is, and it's the way it looks. So I've ordered some aero for it, and we're going to start by, we got brand new like Euro car parts wings. Surely to God they're going to fit better than them things do. And then we've got some fitment lab gear. Okay, I'm not going to go into too much depth in regards to the bolts and removing this, because I have done it on one of my, believe it was my very first video. So I'm just going to fly ahead, get this wing off, and get the new one on. Okay, so we've undone all the bolts and zip ties that I was using to hold it on, and we've also took the side skirt off, because that ties in over it, so it should come off. That's it. One gone. Okay, so now that that's off, we can open up our new wing. And here she is. I'm going to go ahead and chuck this on, and we'll come back then when I'm test fitting the over fenders. I've got this on. Shut on the bonnet, pretty much perfect. This line down here is hard to see because the black wing, but that's pretty much perfect. This is sticking out a bit because the underside tabs there are rusted, so I'm going to have to weld a little plate on it, like make some rivets, so I got a new mounting point, but for now I haven't got to do that. So this is as the box says, from Fitment Lab. Let's try and open it up. Right, at long last, there she is. So they're considerably wider than stock, and this is Fitment Lab's Phase 3 front fenders. Right, let's see how it looks. Nice. Right, let's get drilling and mount these on. So guys, I've never actually fitted any over fenders before. So what I'm going to do is, well, my thought on it anyway, if I mark 2 mounting points at the top, it'll hold it for me after obviously I get the fixings in, and then I can drill any additional ones afterwards. Right, I'm going to try and drill these two out now. and then actually try and get a fix in on the car. One. So, I'm using M4 rivets. So I found a drill bit which is very close. Pop this to here. Rivets on. And that's one. Okay. Right, with my bolt, I'm using these little Allen key pan heads. Hopefully, this will go through here. Perfect. Put that in there so it doesn't drop a minute. Okay. Okay. Look at these. Considerably wider than stock. So, that's just with two on. But yeah, they're looking sick. So, I'll pop the other ones in now, and then I'll bring you guys back and we'll have a look how she is. So guys, that's it. From a distance, well, I'm about a metre away from the car, and it's not that noticeable, the fixings. Got one in the bottom corner, right on the front, middle, top. One there, that, drilled that, so I thought it'd be a good fixing, but it goes straight through to where the indicator's going to be, so I'm going to have that filled. I'm not too worried about that. So, that's the front on. The front does also come with these little things. and figure out where these go. I assume this is the side I need. So something like that. Nice. Assume that goes there. So it finishes off the front. Real nice. Awesome. So with that, I'm probably going to just one self-tapper there, and then probably zip tie it on the underside of that. So it's just minimalistic on the fixings, you know. Right. So now, get the light on. We are going to try and tackle the rear quarter. So, obviously, Fitment Lab don't make a phase 3 for a compact, so these are their compact rear overs, and obviously the front are the phase 3. As always, guys, the most exciting part, we got some stickers. Nice. I'm actually going to start putting some stickers on the car because it's mega clean. Okay, and I need the petrol cap side, which is you. Little trial fit. And for Brady. Okay. Alright, same as last time. Going to put 2 in the top. I might measure these out on what I want. I might put 3 or 4 in the top here, across there, and then after that I'll see where it needs pinning, and we'll repeat the process at the front. Because it's moving around quite a bit, I'm going to drill the back one in first and then go on to hook up the front. And go from there. Right. Right, she should hold herself now. Okay. The body line on these is absolutely amazing. Like some of them you see, they're rippled to hell. I'll show you now. whilst the light stays on. There is literally, it's the only little bit of gap. Other than that, it's absolutely perfect. It's kind of hard to see in the dark. The other thing as well that I need to address, see that arch? The standard arch going. I'm going to be cutting all of that out and tubbing the arches myself. It'll be a nice little project, but I'm currently held up on welding supplies. So that looks absolutely awesome. As you can see, the standard arch has got to go, which is good because mine's starting to rust a little bit anyway. So it saves me having to address that. Okay, so got two in the top just to hold it for now. So I'm going to put a couple, doesn't really need that, probably one at the bottom there, one in the middle, and one possibly at the end here, just to take that spring out of it, and then we go from there. So guys, here we go. This is the finished product. So minimal, you can't really see. Got 3 on the bottom left, 4 across the top, 3 across that bottom. So it's not too mad, but not. Look at the wheel now. Bearing in mind, I've got 50mm extended lower arms, and I'm that far in the arch. So these are some thick boys. And as we saw, the only thing I really need to do is, it's hard to see, but there's a tiny little gap there. But if I file that, the wing will sit, the fiberglass will sit onto the wing perfect. And the same there, just a tiny bit. Sand that away though, and it will sit back just for that little bit better fitment. But other than that, it is looking epic. So that's just one side. We have got the other side to do, but I'm not going to bore you with that, guys. It's exactly the same process. So I will show you in a later video the whole kit on. As I collect more aero for this car, I'll be keeping you guys up to date. So guys, I can't wait to show you what I got in store for this car. It's going to be awesome. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.